Okay, so I just spent a while working on this Breville machine here, and I came across something really interesting. The reason why this one was broken, after replacing pretty much every part, thermal switches, thermal fuse, board, these are just all spare parts that I was mixing and matching. Checked the thermal fuse on the pump, ended up swapping this entire heating block, which is no simple feat for anyway. Um, it ended up being the problem was this LED, the tank illumination LED that indicates when it's ready by lighting up was the problem. And the very strange part about this is that this LED is actually two diodes. It's I don't have I use this component tester with it, and this one showed up as two diodes in the tester. Obviously, one's an LED, and then another one's a diode that's going the other way. Whereas the original part, which I swapped out, was this one, where the one diode going in one direction still worked, but the LED was dead. So the only indication of something that was wrong was that this tank illumination light wasn't turning on once the water was warmed up. And I figured that this machine's issue, it being that it wouldn't heat the water, I thought that this had absolutely no bearing on this because it wouldn't light up anyway because the water wasn't heating. Anyway, uh, strange issue. Check your check your lights if nothing else is working. Good luck.